Hey friends, today we'll learn how to get 100 followers per hour on TikTok. For that, first of all, open TikTok. Then click on profile icon. And here you see I only have 2 followers. Now we increase it. Simply go to home. Then click on search. Search the famous person. Then open their profile. Click on follow. Follow the larger accounts on TikTok. Then go back. Open your profile. Then click on following. Unfollow all. After unfollow, simply follow them again. Here you see people start follow me. Then go back and reload your profile. Within 1 hour, your follower will increase dramatically and you see the results. That's how you can increase your TikTok followers. If you like our video, please subscribe.